Hello everyone, welcome to my tapping channel. Today we're tapping on the belief that what I want to manifest isn't right for me. Do you have that belief? Do you believe deep down inside that what you're wanting, the lifestyle you want, the person you want to express yourself as, just isn't right for you? It might be right for other people, but for some reason it's just not right for you. Your intellect may disagree, but subconsciously it just feels like it's not right for you. We're going to tap on that. Before we do though, my name is Sandra. I'm the author of Tapping into Abundance, using EFT tapping and the law of attraction to change your mindset and to turn your life around. And if you want to do just that, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. I help people tap away those beliefs that are keeping them stuck so that they can create a life full of joy and full of abundance. And I do that through my coaching. So if you do want to coach with me, I offer a free 30-minute clarity session to help get you clear about what your blocks are and how we might be able to remove those moving forward. So you can book a free clarity session. There's a link in the description field below this video. And I also have courses, and one of my courses that has got a lot of tapping in it is called The Wheels of Empowerment, and that course is to help you remove very common beliefs that are keeping you stuck at each chakra energetic level. So beliefs about yourself and the world, beliefs about your desires and your emotions, beliefs about putting yourself out there, beliefs about expressing yourself, why you can't have a clear vision of your future and who you want to be, because that's being stuck and clouded by all of your other beliefs and your lower chakras and your connection to the divine. So that's the Wheels of Empowerment. There's a link in the description field below this video. Now, this belief that it's not right for me may be a belief you're not aware of yet. It may be one of those beliefs that's hidden under many, 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 many other beliefs. And I didn't realize that I had this belief for a very long time. I'd been tapping for years on my beliefs about myself and the world that were keeping me stuck in self-doubt. And this one was something that came up much, much, much later. It's like you get to the point with tapping and you feel, I've tapped on so much. I have done so much work on myself. But there's still this block there. There's still something holding me back from fully embracing and stepping into who I truly am. And this is one of those very beliefs that it's just not right for me. And it feels real, but it isn't real, because there's no reason why it can't be right for you. And you don't need that belief anymore, because it is actually stepping in your way of you being able to create the life that you want to create and to manifest the love you want, the money you want, the lifestyle you want. So let's tap on that belief. Karate chop point. Even though I have this belief that what I want isn't right for me, I'm okay. Even though I have this belief and it feels real, that what I want isn't right for me, I'm okay. Even though I have a belief that the me I want to experience, the things I want to have and do in my life, just aren't right for me. I'm going to honor how I feel anyway. So now tapping on the points, beginning with the eyebrow point. This belief that what I want isn't right for me. It feels real. It feels very real. The love I want. The relationship I want. The money I want. The success I want. Isn't right for me. For some reason, it's not right for me. It's right for other people, but not for me. I don't like this belief. It's keeping me stuck. When I try to imagine having the life I want to have, there's this niggly feeling. This feeling of resistance. Telling me it's not right for me. And I'm tired of this belief. I can come up with reasons. Why it's not right for me. None of them are real. They're assumptions. Things I've been told. Things I've assumed. Time to let it go. What if what I want to manifest is right for me? What if it's right for me to manifest what I want? What if it's right for me to have the love, the money, the home, the success that I want? What if it is right for me? Take a deep breath and letting it out. And keep tapping on the what if it is right for me. Whatever you're trying to manifest right now, and if you have this belief it's not right for me, then just tap through. Maybe you can even tap through the reasons why it's not right for you if you have reasons. But often there's not a reason, it's just a feeling. It just feels like it's not right. But that doesn't mean that's your higher self telling you it's not right, or your intuition telling you it's not right. That's actually your programming, your ego programming telling you it's not right, because you've assumed it for some reason. You've assumed it from your upbringing and your experiences, what you've been told about love, money, whatever, and what you've been told and assumed about yourself. But it is right. It is right for you to have what you want to have and to manifest it. So if you are finding this is a block, keep tapping on what if I can have whatever it is you're trying to manifest, that it is right for me. So let me know how you go with this tapping. Once again, I offer you that free clarity session if you want to work with me one-on-one. There's a link in the description field below this video. And the Wheels of Empowerment if you are wanting to start your own tapping and work through an online course for 4 months, working on each of the chakras and the beliefs that are there about money, about love, about self-love, forgiveness, letting go of grief, and the beliefs about yourself that are stopping you from expressing who you truly are, speaking your truth, and actually putting yourself out there in a way that you want to put yourself out there. It doesn't mean you have to put yourself out there on social media and be, somebody who's known. It just means putting yourself out there in general, like being you in the world when you're interacting with the world and interacting with other people. So that's the Wheels of Empowerment, and there's a link in the description field below this video for how you can sign up for that. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you on the next video.